Are you sick of your phone slipping and sliding around while you're tearing up the trails on your mountain bike? Are you worried about some lowlife snatching your phone while you're not looking? Well, look no further than Vicseed's newest tank bike phone mount. With its rock-solid mount and anti-theft design, your phone's going to stay firmly in place when you ride, no matter how rough the terrain gets. So if you want to keep your phone safe and look like a total badass while riding the trails, this is the bike phone mount you've been waiting for. Thanks for joining me for another exciting video where I bring you innovative and game-changing tech products. Today, I'm thrilled to showcase the latest offering from Vicseed, their tank bike phone mount. This well-thought-out gadget is specifically designed to keep your phone secure and steady while you ride, giving you the freedom to navigate or track your progress or just stay focused on the trails or road ahead of you. So let's dive in and explore the features and benefits of this beast of a bike mount. So first off, the handlebar clamp is a beast. This thing is made of super sturdy stainless steel metal, and it opens up wide enough to fit just about any handlebar. And with the unique pedal, nut, and coated key, you can lock it down tight and be sure that it won't twist or shake or walk away in someone else's hands. And that anti-theft handlebar clamp fits handlebars anywhere from 0.59 to 1.57 or 15 to 40 millimeter handlebars. So it's universally compatible with most bikes, scooters, or even strollers. Plus, I mean, look at this thing. It's wide enough and strong enough that it'll fit bikes even with huge frames. I could put it on my handlebars, put it on my cross mount, just about any rail on my entire bike. This thing will fit securely. And let's talk about the phone mount itself. I mean, this thing's four corner arms are really wide. It's going to fit a huge phone like this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And it is a simple one-handed operation to put your phone in or take it out of the mount. Plus, there's this switch on the back that will lock the arms in place so you can rest easy knowing that your phone won't go flying off your bike handlebars during your ride over a few bumps. And there's silicone padding in each of the arms that's going to reduce vibration and keep your screen nice and smooth and easy to view. Now, if you're worried about adjusting your phone while you ride, don't be. This ball joint is so sturdy, and it is going to let you swivel your phone about 360 degrees of full rotation so that you can check your GPS horizontally or vertically or change your music without even really having to take your eyes off the road. And that ball joint is made out of solid stainless steel, so you really don't have to worry about it loosening up over time or corroding or anything. It is just rock solid design. Because you know, one thing that really sets this bike phone mount apart is what appears to be fantastic durability. Vicseed constructed this thing out of the solid stainless steel ball mount, aluminum alloy construction on the other clamp parts, sturdy PVC, and they had it actually pass military grade testing certification. So you know it's built to last. And Vicseed even backs up their durability claims with an 18-month warranty. So you can trust that it's going to keep your phone safe and secure and working for many, many rides to come. So personally, I know the feeling of using a flimsy phone mount all too well. I mean, I was using this one. It was really light, but it really wasn't secure at all on my handlebars. And one day when I kind of got into a bit of a fender bender on my bike, this whole mount fell off my bike and my phone went flying. And I was pretty much terrified that I thought the screen might have cracked. And that was when I decided, hey, a little super flimsy light phone mount might be cool, but I think it would be a good time to check out something more durable, more secure, like this Vicseed tank mount. It's definitely a little bit heavier than my old mount, but I get a lot of peace of mind just knowing that my phone is secure in the mount, even on those bumpy rides. It's worth it to me. Now that I've used this tank mount for a few rides in Boston's really cold April and May weather, I'm actually pretty impressed. Even during harsh, bumpy rides, the mount has stayed super secure, and that swivel ball mount moves only when I physically move it. I feel like this is just another quality Vicseed product that I'm going to use for a really long time. Overall, Vicseed's newest tank bike phone mount is a solid, easy to use, and highly effective product that I can easily recommend to anyone who rides hard. But it's not just for those who ride hard. If you're a mountain biker or even a scooter rider or just a bike commuter or someone who just rides their bike casually to go out for coffee and ice cream, this mount has you covered with all kinds of features, convenience, and security. If you're interested in this cool gadget, click the link in the video description to get yours today. And if you liked this video and you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories for your phones and earbuds and all kinds of cool stuff around cars and audio. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.